Hello, and welcome to Nearpod Central, where you will learn all about the creative presentation tool Nearpod. Nearpod is transforming teaching altogether through its award-winning platform that's offering customizable lessons, 100% participation from students, immediate student feedback, allowing educators to spend less time planning and more time teaching, giving students a front row seat in the classroom, along with its growing popularity. Educators in 3 out of 5 US school districts are already using Nearpod right now to create engaging learning experiences for their students. Once you go to nearpod.com, you may start exploring for free if you wish, which allows you to explore the several customizable lessons that are offered by different grade levels. You may also sign up for free, which allows you to make an account through either your email or social media or a few other options. Then, once you make your account, you log in, which takes you to a page that contains 5 headings. This is usually the first page that you see when you log into Nearpod, and it looks like this. It contains My Library, Explore, Join, Create, and Reports. When we first click on My Library, we are provided with the opportunity to download a Nearpod lesson by clicking Explore at the top left corner. Now, when we click on Explore, we are offered several lessons that are organized by a variety of categories, such as exclusive content, subject, Nearpod VR, publisher. I like to click on the free ones just to make it a little easier on myself. And I'll click on the lesson, The Internet of Things. Now, you can click on download and show in my library right here, which allows you to customize this lesson at any time as you have it on your Nearpod from here on out when you do that. Now, you can also preview the lesson, which allows you to see what the lesson may have to offer, such as this one, which offers a clear objective, a video, which is a great instructional resource and makes it a little easier on us, opportunity for reflection, open-ended questions, along with a poll, which allows students to interact in real time, along with close reading. So this is just an example of some of the resources that you may find in a lesson on Nearpod in the library. Now, you may also launch and share a live Nearpod lesson once you have it in your library by clicking on Live Lesson. This allows you to control the pace of all devices connected to your lesson. And finally, clicking on the student pace lessons for the student pace mode creates a 5-digit code for you that allows students to now access this lesson for 30 days at their own pace by entering that code. Now, get ready. This is one of my favorite features of this application. You can also add a variety of multimedia activities to your lesson. When you click on Create Your Own Lesson and then click on Add Slide, for example, let's click on Add Content, and we're provided with several opportunities here. For example, incorporating 3D visuals from categories such as amazing places and things, ancient times, environment, human body, and microscopic. Now, we can also add simulations organized by elementary math, middle math, and high school math, along with elementary, middle, and high school science. This is one of my favorite features, which is the virtual field trip feature. And this allows students to really just take a step out of the classroom for a moment and feel like they're somewhere else and actually in these places, which is really cool. They can, for example, visit the Taj Mahal at sunset. They can visit Santorini, Greece, the Great Pyramid of Giza, the Great Wall of China, and the list just goes on, which is a great tool for differentiating learning for students as well. Now, you may also add BBC videos, which allows you to add videos from online, educational videos from online for your students. You can also add web content by inserting a website URL. And you may also add a variety of assessment activities to your lesson, such as open-ended questions, matching pairs, quizzes, drawing, collaborating, and fill in the blanks. You will also be amazed to learn that if you click on this reports feature at the top left corner, it allows you to capture data that tracks comprehension and completion through student work in progress. And there's nothing right now because we don't have any lessons executed, but once we do, there will be all of that done for you. Now, if you click on Learn, this also offers the opportunity for professional development through Nearpod from a variety of live webinars, on-demand resources, and instructional videos. For example, if we click on February 28th, Intense Integrated Intervention webinar, it takes you to this form that allows you to register for the webinar. Now, you may also access on-demand resources, such as more basic resources from the self-paced webinar to more advanced ones, such as VR in the classroom, along with instructional videos. Now that you are familiar with Nearpod, which is a great tool to interactively engage and give your students a voice, dive into it yourself, play with it, and explore how to best fit it into your own instruction.